got a few different markers here. So we got the surveyor stake that was put in, and then there's the small T-post that I put. I'll come back and paint it orange so it's nice and visible. Look at that backfield. That's not mine, but it sure is gorgeous. But if you look over here, right on the line, there's a large rock, and someone will come and kick out this wooden post. They may run this post over or pull it out, but nobody's really going to suspect just a random rock. And if I had to guess, a farmer before I owned it put it here so that each farmer would know where the boundary line was. There's a couple more over there, or just by entirely random happenstance, maybe it came out of the field and this is just where they dumped it. But I find it interesting that it lines up right on the property line. And again, they have these secret markers, or not so secret, but just commonplace markers that really won't be disturbed because they just fit in with the scenery. Back here, this is my hayfield. That's about 3.4 acres per the surveyor. And my neighbor has a sheep farm, and they harvest hay off of that. It's part of the CAUV value, the agricultural use value. So that gets farmed for hay, and the rest of the property gets its agricultural discount from a forestry program. So they do soil samples, and eventually in around 2035, all these trees will be harvested for either firewood or commercial lumber use. And it's just one way that forest land can be used as for commercial value. And not only the soil samples, if it's really good soil quality, that will inevitably leach out into the surrounding fields, and topsoil health is a real concern for farmers all the time. So very interesting stuff.